How to fix Gmail missing emails error. Here are some tips that would help you fix Gmail missing emails error. 1. If you logged into your Gmail via Windows 10 Mail, sign out then use the official Gmail app instead. 2. Update your Gmail. 3. Make the best of Gmail search bar. 4. Check if you are using some Gmail filters. If so, delete those options. 5. Check deleted/archived/spam folders. 6. Check then reset/disable forwarding rules under settings, all settings, forwarding and pop/IMAP tab. 7. If you're using some third-party email client to receive your Gmails, check its settings and server status. 8. Review Gmail's storage policies at https://support.google.com/google1/answer/9312312?HL=n. Go to Gmail forum for more help.